DMK Chief Karunanidhi has said that the reshuffle is not complete as yet and says he will decide on issues relating to the centre and ministries in the General Council meet that is to be on the 23rd and the 24th of this month. We have Vikram joining us on the phone line with more details. Vikram.
Well, the DMK Chief Karunanidhi, in an off-the-record meeting with the reporters over here, clarified that he will discuss about the cabinet reshuffle only in the General Council meet, at the same time about reviewing ties with the Congress. So he clearly has maintained a status quo as the party that has been maintaining the status quo with regard to the cabinet reshuffle. He did not want to actually comment on the reshuffle that is going to happen later in the day today. He said let the official function get over and then probably make a comment about the reshuffle as well. At the same time, we also asked him, did he speak about the cabinet reshuffle, or did he actually ask about the cabinet berths that have already been vacated by Raja as well as Danyadhi Maran? He clearly tried saying that he spoke about this particular issue to Pranab Mukherjee. At the same time, we also asked him whether he actually spoke about the Kanimuri case that has been going through in the Supreme Court. He clearly said that he did not discuss about that either. So on the record, the DMK clearly maintains that they did not speak about these kind of issues. But let me tell you, we did speak to a few sources within the DMK, and we did get to know that they did speak about the cabinet berths. But at this point of time, the DMK wants to actually play safe. They would want to actually go ahead till the General Council meet, discuss with their party cadres, and then probably take an official stand on whether to actually go ahead and join the cabinet or not.